Greetings from the next road trip. This 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome's unique design redefines performance and style on the road. In 2026, we're looking at a statement piece rather than just a truck. Its strong aerodynamic design reflects its unmatched power, thanks to a new Kenworth grille, sharp adaptive LED headlamps, and body lines that blend efficiency and flair. Beneath all of this luxury is a 15-liter Cummins X15 engine that can generate up to 605 horsepower and an incredible 2050 lb-ft of torque. An Eaton Fuller 12-speed automatic gearbox and well-distributed power provide a pleasant and smooth ride that can readily handle any terrain. Every stop is an extravagant show because to its eye-catching design, which includes a two-tone metallic paint job, distinctive aluminum wheels, and an autonomous slide-out feature that expands the interior while parked. You step inside the cockpit, which serves as both an ergonomic command center and a control room. The 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome's dashboard is embellished with high-end mastic leather and real wood accents. Additionally, it features a computerized instrument cluster that is completely adjustable and shows all pertinent data in high definition. The Navigation and Communication Center is a fast dual touchscreen infotainment display that effortlessly integrates wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 360-degree video system is also included for seamless visibility. To make every mile more comfortable, the driver and front passenger are equipped with leather-trimmed air seats that have heating, cooling, and massaging capabilities. You enter a large, opulent living space intended for pleasure and leisure from the cockpit. This section leads to a large living space with an L-shaped, plush leather sofa that has a motorized slide-out mechanism that allows it to be used as a bed. While motorized shutters and large windows provide expansive views, multi-zone LED ambient lighting consistently produces the ideal ambience. When paired with a cinematic quality surround sound system, a discrete widescreen smart TV creates an unparalleled mobile entertainment experience. The main bedroom has a serene atmosphere. Its plush king-size bed and superb orthopedic mattress provide a good night's sleep. This has a full-size closet with mirrored doors, concealed storage drawers, and an integrated dressing table. The five-star hotel has a personal music system and a second flat-screen TV. Just enough light is permitted in by its large windows with blackout drapes to provide the best possible sleep. The 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome's bathroom is a luxurious yet practical haven. It is larger than you might imagine for a motorhome, and it has a porcelain toilet with an effective flush mechanism, a granite sink with a designer faucet, and a walk-in shower with a glass wall, a rain shower head, and decent water pressure. A big mirror with integrated LED illumination and hotel-style storage drawers completes the restorative shower experience wherever you go. The kitchen of the 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome makes it possible to prepare delicious meals while on the road. With home-sized stainless steel appliances including a dishwasher, a 4-burner induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a refrigerator and freezer adjacent to one another, this space is a chef's paradise. A number of storage cabinets with soft-closed drawers guarantee that all of your tools and supplies are kept tidy and safe out of sight. And large granite or quartz worktops provide enough workspace. Kenworth T680 Motorhome 2026. It is a way of life rather than merely a vehicle.